So I'm working on this John Deere self-propelled mower. It is the Momentum, the JS48. So the mower had two problems. The major problem was the Woodruf key was sheared, and I guess they hit something with the blade, and it caused the flywheel here to advance the timing. You could start it, but it would backfire and pull hard on the rope, and every now and then you could get it to run, and it would run, but not very well. And so I had to use I use this steering wheel puller here to pull the flywheel off. And I had to actually, the holes were there, but they weren't tapped. So they were conveniently about the size of a 1/4 inch. So I just tapped it a 1/4 20 and got some long bolts and used that, and it popped right off. And you could easily see the key was advanced in it. And here's a piece of the key right here. This is what's left. And I ended up just making a key out of some 3/16 brass stock I've got, keyway stock. Pretty easy to do. But the other problem was down in here. You can see they ran into something with this muffler hit, and it actually broke the head right there. It cracked it and bent the screw. It was being held on by one of these two screws. And I thought about welding that back, but it's really thin wall and really dirty. And so I just went for the quick and dirty repair. I just made this metal bracket here. And actually, the first thing I did was I took this bolt out and put a threaded rod in there so I could extend it. This was the original bolt. I put a longer one in there, just a rod, and there's a washer behind there and another nut. And then I just kind of found this piece of steel and bent it around and made it so that it would, you can see it's there's a nut and a bolt that's clamping onto this piece of steel. So it's holding it in place. And that was my fix, just a quick and dirty fix. I didn't want to spend a lot of time on it. The mower's maybe not worth it. So now I'm going to put it all together, and it'll run, I'm sure. So the first thing I need to do is put this little cover on here. It's only held on by these 3 studs. And I have to kind of get it on there and force it. Yes, just like that. Then this starter goes on, also right over it, right on those 3 studs. If I can get it to line up. There we go. Then there's just 3 little nuts here. And it's 8mm. The little nuts are 8mm. And then I need to add the air filter cover here. Guess I didn't need to remove that, I just didn't know. Alright, everything's ready to go. I think I'm going to put it on the ground and see how it runs. Alright, let's get this down on the ground and see how it runs. Do need to put the rope back in here. There we go.